Are you looking for the best battery tender? Here we will break down the top 7 battery tender on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Battery Tender Junior Charger and Maintainer. The Battery Tender Junior Charger and Maintainer is one of the top rated in Amazon. It comes with a 10-year warranty. Also, it includes 2.3 pounds and dimensions of 11 inches x 4 inches x 11 inches, which is easy to take places if you need. On the other hand, the design for 12-volt batteries and has a charging speed of 1.25 amps. Even, the Plus is 50% more power. However, it included a smart charger, will switch automatically between full charging power and float charge power. And that's why it will not damage the battery. Still, the 0210128 is also safe to use, and it has reverse polarity protection to ensure that you don't shock yourself. Besides, the alligator clips comes with ring clamps too, which are nice for things like mower batteries. At number 2. BLACK+DECKER BM3B Fully Automatic Battery. BLACK+DECKER brand is very familiar for fancy people. It offers a fully automatic battery charger maintainer that can charge 6 and 12-volt AM, gel, and wet batteries. The battery is affordable and easy to use, and easily connecting to your battery with battery clips or ring terminals. Also, it'll automatically stop charging once the battery is fully charged or topped off. Besides, this battery maintainer is ETL certified for performance and safety. After all, BLACK+DECKER includes a limited 1 year. At number 3. MOTOPOWER MP00205812V Fully Automatic Battery Charger. MOTOPOWER is one of the cheapest rated and suitable product in the market. It comes with 12-volt lead-acid batteries, and the maintainer features a microprocessor-controlled program that will monitor the entire charging progress and automatically stop once the battery is fully charged. Besides, the safety features on this device include overcharge, short circuit, and reverse polarity protection, and spark-proof. Also, you can use ring terminals or alligator clips to attach this battery maintainer. In addition, this device comes with a 2-year warranty. At number 4. 12V to 14.8V Automatic Lead-Acid Battery Charger. The Orion MotorCheck battery maintainer is best for its affordable price. It provides a good range of features. It provides a fully automatic program controlled by a microprocessor which can plug this battery maintainer in and walk away. It will cancel your battery's charge and stop charging when the battery is full. Also, the battery maintainer is appropriate for all types of the 12-volt battery. It included flooded sealed, AM, and gel cell. In addition, Orion MotorCheck also offers a full money-back guarantee. At number 5. OPTIMA Digital 412V Performance Maintainer and Battery Charger. OPTIMA Maintainer and Charger is designed to promote the performance. This product recovers deeply discharged batteries and improves the life of all lead-acid batteries. Also, it includes a marine battery charger, motorcycle battery charger, or any other AM battery charger. However, this product maximizes the battery life and performance with a built-in battery health mode. Besides, it has a dual-purpose hook and included a wall organizer bracket. Of course, this is a quality-assured product that you never want to miss. Still, this is a powerful best battery maintainer measuring 8.2 by 3.7 by 7.4 inches. At number 6. Battery Charger 12V 14.4V18 Portable Battery. This maintainer is a pretty collection for a fancy user. It includes a proper positive voltage detection function. Also, the best battery charger will not charge when the battery is full. Even, the green light indicates that the product has been turned on to power, and the red color indicates that your battery is in a charging mode, and lastly the green color indicates that charging is complete. Besides, the charger charges, restores, and maintains your car, bike, boat, or truck batteries. Just like a brother in the previous position, this is a versatile product with a wide range of activities. In general, the maximum allowable voltage of the product is 14 inches and the charger measures a 3.4 by 1.9 by 1.2 inches. At number 7. Nokogenius G46V12V 4.4 amp 4-bank Battery Charger and Maintainer. This battery is a perfect battery charger and maintainers. The 4-battery pack is a great selection for all car and boat owners. It offers 12 volts lithium-ion battery, and the charger and maintainers will perfectly charge the battery without overcharging. In addition, it is a versatile battery charger with all types of 12-volt and 6-volt lead-acid batteries. Lastly, it is suitable for charging the smaller capacity batteries on ATVs and personal watercraft among others.